Most people treat AI like a chatbot. At SubLogic, we treat it like a factory. Stop settling for basic AI builders. If you want to deploy professional full-stack applications at light speed, you need to know Lovable. Lovable is an AI-powered full-stack development platform that lets you build complete web applications, front-end, back-end, and database, simply by chatting. Unlike traditional no-code builders that use visual blocks, Lovable writes real code, React, Tailwind, C, S, and Vite, and automatically connects it to Supabase to manage users and data. Its philosophy is vibe coding. You describe what you want, and the AI builds it, deploys it, and delivers the repository to you on GitHub. In this video, I'll show you how we created a premium SaaS portal from scratch with this powerful tool. If you're ready to build at the speed of thought, Lovable is the only option. Let's see it in action. Let's get to work. I've designed a master prompt that will give Lovable the exact foundations we need for create our portal with a clean corporate aesthetic, minimalist navigation, and high-level visual hierarchy. While Lovable starts orchestrating the code, pay attention to an important detail: the credit system. Every time we run a prompt or request a complex modification, Lovable consumes credits. That's why it's vital to be precise with our instructions. We want maximum quality at the lowest possible cost. We aren't just playing around with AI here. We are optimizing resources to build a real digital asset. And look at that. In a matter of seconds, Lovable has already interpreted our off-white color palette and is structuring the header exactly as we planned. We've got the foundation we're going to when building one professional portal. Its goal is to centralize educational content, tutorials, and convert visitors into clients through the Work With Me button. This is the evolution of a Linktree, a proprietary platform that you control, projecting a much more solid brand image. Now that the foundation is set, let's bring in the content. For this, I've prepared a second prompt focused on a bento-style layout. We're creating 3 clean vertical cards for our featured tutorials. Notice how Lovable handles the spacing. In a professional portal, Beja space is just as important as the content itself. Each card includes a centered play icon and high contrast typography. Since we are being very specific with the UI requirements, we are saving those precious credits we mentioned earlier by avoiding unnecessary revisions. And there it is, clean, balanced, and sharp. The visual hierarchy is spot on. The user's eye knows exactly where to go. Now, let's add those final premium touches to make it feel like a high-end SaaS product. Now, let's make this portal fully operational. I'm pushing a prompt to make the buttons functional and set up our business logic. We've mapped Work With Me and Contact with dummy information. This gives us a production-ready structure where every click has a purpose. We aren't just designing anymore, we are building the workflow for a real digital business. Since we were so efficient with our prompts, we actually have some extra credits left. So, let's take this to the next level by adding it needs to look world-class. I'm asking Lovable to revamp the entire UI with a more innovative approach and make the buttons functional billing and login. Look at that transformation. We've moved into a sophisticated pastel palette with an elegant high-end feel. By softening the colors and refining the typography, the portal goes from looking like a template to a custom-built digital asset. Notice the billing section. Lovable just built a high-conversion Pro Plan card at $49 a month, featuring a clean list of perks and a prominent Upgrade Now button. This is the SubLogic AI touch, combining technical functionality with an aesthetic that commands a premium price. Now, The platform doesn't just work, it inspires trust. Everything is ready. Now comes the most important part, taking it live. I'm publishing the project inside the Lovable community so the world can see what we've built. And just like that, it's live. This is the power of AI-driven development. We went from a blank canvas to a fully functional, world-class asset in minutes, not weeks. The project is now part of the Lovable ecosystem, standing out with its unique aesthetic and business-ready structure. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how to get started. Lovable operates on a credit system. If you're working on a small, light project to test the waters, the basic version is a great entry point. However, if you're serious about building robust, high-end applications like the one we just deployed, you'll want to look at the Pro versions. They give you the raw power and the credit volume needed for complex architectural execution. Meet the plan that changes everything, the PRO plan. For just $25 a month, you unlock the door to true productivity. 100 monthly credits to bring every single idea to life instantly. Break free from the limits. You get unlimited domains on Lovable.app, and most importantly for your brand, you can finally remove the Lovable badge. Your clients will see your work, not the tool. Perfect for creators who need professional results. Now. Are you leading a team or a rapidly growing startup? Then the business plan is your power station. At $50 a month, you move from building prototypes to shipping enterprise-grade solutions. This is where real teamwork happens. You get team workspaces, advanced role-based access, and enterprise-level security with SSO. It's advanced control for teams that need speed without compromising safety, efficiency at scale, and for large organizations that demand absolute security and scalability. Welcome to Enterprise. This is the custom tier. No limits, just pure, tailor-made solutions for your infrastructure. We're talking dedicated support, white glove onboarding, and custom API connections. Your company doesn't just use Lovable, it integrates it as a core part of your tech stack with maximum governance. I've left a link in the description below. Using it won't cost you a single cent extra, but it directly supports the channel and allows us to keep bringing you these high-level strategies. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start deploying, choose the plan that fits your ambition. If you found value in this build, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to join the SubLogic AI community. We are constantly dropping new strategies to help you dominate the AI landscape. Also, just a quick disclaimer. While we use and recommend these tools, always ensure they fit your specific business needs before investing. Don't forget to check the resources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next deployment. Let's keep building.